Hello guys, welcome to another video. In this application, you can earn money by completing surveys and playing games. Here you can do surveys. These are all the cash out options on the application which you can withdraw your money with. You can swipe left and you can see the playing game section. I recommend using higher balance one. But if you are younger, then you can use other sections depending if the games don't work due to age or age verification of Google account. Application will be in description, so go download it now. Please make sure to subscribe and like, comment in my video to never miss an upload on my channel. Also use me referral code since it will support me into doing more videos for you guys.